How to log in to My PepsiCo SSO account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to My PepsiCo SSO account. PepsiCo SSO allows PepsiCo employees, contractors and partners to access multiple company resources and applications with a single set of login credentials. This website is designed for PepsiCo employees in order to access various internal services such as payroll, work schedules, benefits, and many more. So now to get started, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and here in the search bar, you need to type secure.mypepsico.com. This is the official website of PepsiCo SSO. Here, now once you enter this keyword, press the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of PepsiCo. Here, once you reach to this page, you will need to enter your credentials in order to log into your account. Also, if you are a first-time user, you will need to click on this first-time user link at the bottom, and then you will be provided instructions where you will be asked to enter the personal information in order to create an account. Now, if you have already created an account, here in this box, you need to enter either user ID, email address or the global ID provided by PepsiCo. Once you have entered your user ID, if you want your user ID to be remembered for future logins, you may click on this checkbox that says Remember Me. Now once after doing that, click on this login button at the bottom, and then now you will be asked to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. After entering the password, you will also get the option to reveal it by clicking on this I button at the right side to check if you have entered it correctly or not. If in case you forgot your password and you can't log into your account, you will also get the option to reset your password. For that, you need to click on this forgot password link at the bottom, and then you will need to follow the instructions provided to you in order to reset your password. Now after entering all the credentials correctly, go ahead and click on this verify button right here, and then you will be able to log in to your PepsiCo SSO account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your PepsiCo SSO account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.